the CVC word adventure. We are going to learn how to read simple words called CVC words. CVC stands for consonant, vowel, and consonant. These words have a fundamental three-sound pattern. The CVC pattern is critical for early reading because it helps us learn how to blend individual sounds together to form a complete word. The structure is always the same: a sound from a consonant, a short sound from a vowel in the middle, and then another sound from a consonant at the end. The 5 vowels are A, E, I, O, and U. For CVC words, we focus only on the short sound of each vowel to build a strong foundation. Short ah sound. Our first vowel is ah. The short ah sound is heard in the word apple. It sounds like A, the sound we will use for blending. Here are some classic examples of CVC words with the short A in the middle: cat, map, fan. Listen as you sound it out. K-t becomes cat. Let's practice blending these short ACVC words: bat, can, pad, man. The short A sound is key to reading these words correctly. Remember to keep the short A sound crisp and clear to help you distinguish it from the other vowels we will learn. Short E sound. Next, we will focus on the vowel E. The short E sound is heard in the word egg. It sounds like yeah, like when you say eh. Examples of CVC words using the short E in the middle include bed, pen, leg. Try sounding out pen. P-ye-n equals pen. Practice these CVC words: net, red, hen, web. The short E sound requires only a small opening of your mouth. Short I sound. Now we move to the vowel I. The short I sound is heard in the word igloo. It sounds like E, a quick, tiny sound. Examples of CVC words with the short I in the middle are pig, sit, fin. Say the sounds for sit. S-E-T becomes sit. Read these CVC words. 6, lip, zip, win. The short I helps connect the beginning and ending consonant sounds swiftly. Short O sound. The 4th vowel is O. The short O sound is heard in the word octopus. It sounds like a short, open sound, often sounding like the beginning of off. CVC words that use the short O in the middle are dog, box, top. Blend the sounds for dog. D-A-G makes dog. Practice reading. Fox, hot, log, mop. Keep practicing the open mouth shape required for the short O sound. Short oo sound. Our final vowel is oo. The short U sound is heard in the word umbrella. It sounds like oo, which is the sound we use when we say up. Examples of CVC words with the short U in the middle are sun, bug, cup. Try blending sun. S-U-N becomes sun. Read these last few CVC words: fun, run, cut, mud. By mastering all 5 short vowel sounds in CVC words, you are ready to read.